Brian here back at Flagship Property Management. Something we like to think about every year as the Christmas season is upon us is if families are traveling, if you're going to be gone away from your home for a few days, some things you might want to think about since your home will be sitting vacant. It's if you're having Amazon these days, UPS deliveries, you may not want to have those piling up on the front porch. It could tell someone with bad intent, ill intent, that property's vacant because they see the packages piling up. So you may want to have a neighbor, a friend, a family member, coworker stop by and remove any packages that are left on your front porch. Check your mail so the mailbox is not filling up. Those are some good ideas. Front porch light leave on, back porch light leave on, maybe just a small lamp or two inside the house. The house looks occupied. Again, we don't want anybody with ill intent to see what is a vacant house and it's obviously vacant. Those few things are not going to run up your utility bill, but could help your house look occupied if you're going to be gone for a few days. So just something for us to think about. We always want to encourage our people to be safe. And if you are traveling, be safe then too.